A very gracious morning to one and all. Welcome to class 7 students. Today in this video we are going to start chapter simple interest. So before starting you must know about what is simple interest. Simple interest is when you used to go to the bank, you used to deposit some of the money in the bank, no? And when you deposit some of the money, bank used to give some extra amount, right? That extra money is called interest. So the formula for simple interest is principal into rate into time. Interest is interest money credited in dollars or it must be in rupees also. Principal, the starting amount of money. Rate, interest rate per year. Time, the time and the money is invested or borrowed. Okay, so this is the introduction of simple interest, students. So before starting, I would like to explain you some of the formulas. That is P into R into T by 100. This is the formula of simple interest. And amount is the money that you used to get when you used to deposit some of the amount in the bank, no, principal amount, and you will get the interest on that. The total of both these two, principal and interest, is called amount. So you can say that what is amount? Amount is principal plus simple interest. And principal is, you can do the transposing, right? If you want to find the value of P, 100 will go that side, it will be SI into 100, and R into T will go that in divide, it will be like this. Okay, similarly for rate and time, as you know very well, simple interest SI is simple interest, P is principal, R is rate, T is time, A is amount. So my dear students, if you get to know about these formula, the first formula is SI equal to P into R into T by 100, and the second formula is amount equal to P plus principal plus simple interest. Then you will be able to do the complete chapter, complete exercise. Okay, so let's start. So coming to the next slide, you can see the questions. Find the simple interest and amount when. Yes, students, you must understand starting first three questions only, and you will be able to do rest of the questions. But don't worry, I'll make you understand all questions. So let's start. Principal is given to you 6400, rate is 6%, and time is 2 years. So as you know very well, that formula for simple interest is P into R into T by 100. At the place of P, you can put 6400. R 6%, time 2 and divided by 100. You can solve it, you will get 768. When you will cancel, no, zeros will be cancelled with 0. 64 into 6 into 2 will be 768. Okay, and the formula for amount you know very well. What is the formula? Principal plus simple interest. That is 6400 plus simple interest you have found now, no? 768 plus 768 is equals to 7168. This will be the answer. Getting? So this was our question number 1. It's too simple. And the question number 3. I'm doing odd parts for you students, and even parts you have to do. Find the simple interest and amount. It's same only. Principal, rate and time is given to you, and you have to put the formula P into R into T by 100 and just calculate the values. In this question, one different thing is given to you, that is time is in 3 year 3 months. Okay, this is different in this question. Time is 3 year 3 months. So you have to write time like this. 3 years means 3, and 3 months you can write 3 by 12, and you have to add both numbers, then you will get 13 by 4 years. Okay, this is a new thing in this question. Okay, so it was too simple. So coming to the next question, question number 5, find the simple interest and amount. Here also one thing is different, that is time. Time is 146 days. Okay, but we need the time in years. So what you have to do, in 1 year 365 days are there, no? So what you have to do, you will divide 146 by 365, right? 146 divided by 365, you will get the time in years. And then what you have to do, again the same formula, P into R into T by 100. P is 5000, R is 9, and time is 146 by 365 into 100. When you calculate this, no, when you will do the calculations, you will get rupees 160. And you know very well that amount is P plus simple interest. Principal is 5,000, simple interest is 180. So rupees 5180 will be the answer. So next question is, find the time when principal is rupees 9540, simple interest is given. Now students, interest is given to you and you have to find the time. Okay, this is different only. This thing is different only in this question. As you know very well that the formula for simple interest is P into R into T by 100. Yes or no? So I will write like this: P into R into T divided by 100. Okay. So now listen to me carefully. One more thing. If you want to find the time, then you have to transpose other things. 100 will go that side. It is in divide, no? This side, right? Right side, it is in divide. When it will go left side, it will be multiply. So formula will be SI into 100. And P into R. R right side, but you have to transpose them in left side. Then it will be divided. So it will come down like this: P into R. Okay. So formula is for time is SI into 100 divided by P into R. SI is 1908 and into 100 divided by principal 950 into 8. You will get time 10 by 4 years, that is 2.5 years. Clear? So this was a different question in which you have to find the time. And in previous questions we had discussed about simple interest only. But in this question simple interest was given. So the next question is find the rate, and this is also different because in this question you have to find the rate and simple interest is given to you. Again the same thing. When you have to find the rate will you have to leave the rate in left side and rest of the parts you have to transpose in right side. SI into 100 divided by P into T. This is the formula. Just put the values and you will find the rate. And after rate you have to put the percentage. Okay. After time you have to put the year, like hours and all, no. But after rate you have to put percent because rate always used to be in percentage. Clear? So question number 11, find the rate. Again the same question, you have to find the rate, principal, amount and time is given. What is different in this question? This time amount is given to you instead of SI. Instead of SI, amount is given to you. So what you will do? First of all, you have to find the value of simple interest, SI, right? So how you will find the value? You know very well that the formula for amount is SI plus simple interest, SI plus principal. You know very well this is the formula for amount, but principal is given to you and amount is also given. There is need to find SI. So what you will do? You will transpose P that side. It will be amount minus principal. If this will be amount minus principal, the value of simple interest you will get, no? So simple interest, formula for simple interest is amount minus principal. Amount is 4521.0 minus 3560. So rupees 961.20 will be the answer. Simple interest. But this is simple interest. We need to find the rate. Formula for rate is simple interest into 100 divided by P into T. And when you will do the calculations, you will get rate 9. So question number 13 is a statement sum for you. Hari borrowed rupees 12600. That means 12,600 from a money lender at 15% per annum simple interest. As you know very well that with 15% is there. So it will be rate. Okay. And Hari has borrowed 12,600 rupees. It will be principal. The borrowed amount will be principal after 3 years. So time will be 3 years. Okay, he paid rupees 7070. After 3 years, the total amount is given to you. So total amount will be considered as amount and gave a go to clear off the debt. This question is too much important, students. So listen it very carefully. Principal is given to you, rate is given, time is given. So you can find the simple interest. What is the formula for simple interest is 5670. The amount will be principal plus simple interest. The same thing like the previous question you have done. 18270 is the amount. But from 18270, instead of paying the whole amount, what he has done, that 7070 he has paid by giving a goat. Okay, so 7070 will be deducted from this amount now. So this 7070 you have to deduct. The left amount that he has to pay is 11,200. Clear? First of all, you have to find the value of amount. Then from amount, 18,270 Hari has to pay. But instead of paying the whole amount, what he has told, that take my got of rupees 7070. So what you have to do? You have to deduct 7070 from total amount. This is the total amount. Clear? Too simple. Next question, question number 15. Very simple. A rate is given to you when sum is reckoned per annum, amount 2 rupees, amount 2. Whenever there will be amount 2, 2 word will be there, no? Okay. Then the amount, the number which is given to you after 2 word will be considered as amount. Will be considered as amount. And time is 3 years. Rate is given to you. You have to find the sum. The same thing, amount is given, rate is given, time is given. Principal you have to take as 100. Let principal. You have to suppose principal is equals to rupees 100. Just solve it and you will find the answer. Okay. Question number 17. A sum of money is invested at the 8% per annum amounts to. This is 2, no? So after 2 word, this is called, the digits will be amount only. Okay. This will be amount. And rate is 8%. Time is 2 years. Okay. What will it amount to in 2 years, 8 months? Timing is given to you. That after 2 years, 8 months, what will be the amount at the rate of 9%? First of all, amount is given to you, right? You just use that amount. And you have to take principal, you have to suppose principal as rupees 100. Rate is 8% given to you. Time is 2 years. First of all, just find the simple interest and the amount. And after amount, this amount is on principal of rupees 100, no? At rupees 1 you will find. Then amount you have to calculate, actual amount. Then this is the principal, actual principal. If this is actual principal, students, in this you know very well about unitary method, right? In this we have used only unitary method. You know very well about unitary method, no? So unitary, you have done the chapter also on the basis of this method only. So rate is 9%. Again, time is 2 years, 8 months. It will be 8 by 3 years. So what you will do, simple interest you have to find, principal into rate into time by 100. Principal we have taken as 10450, rate 9 into 100 divided by 100 by into 3. So you will get the simple interest and amount will be principal plus simple interest. Same. Question number 19. 640 amounts to. This is principal 640 and amounts to. After a 2, we will consider 768 as amount. And time is 2 years, 6 months. You have to find what will rupees 850 amounts to in 3 years. Okay, what is given to you? Amount is given, principal is given, simple interest. The formula for simple interest is amount minus principal. You will get the value of what you will get, rate, no? In second case, principal is given, rate is given, time is given. Simple interest formula is P into R into T by 100 and amount you have to find, that is 105054. Rest of the questions are same only, students. Like you can see 23 and 25. Okay, if you got to know about these questions, no, starting 6 or 7 questions, if you get to know, then you will be able to do the whole exercise and hope you got all the your concepts are clear, and this much is for today's session. Thank you. Have a nice day.